Hello, boys and girls. Good morning. I'm going to go over our seat work, which is day 18. So if you've already completed this paper, that's okay. But if you needed some help, I wanted to kind of review it with you if you needed to work along with Mrs. DeSallier, okay? So the first thing, this is our number side. It says to circle the number that is larger. So there's that word again. Larger. Which number is bigger? Which number has more? Is it 6 or 7? Which number is larger? Well, we know that 6 is right here and 7 is right here. The bigger the number, the higher it goes, right? So 7 is the bigger number. Over here we have our 10 frame. We have every single dot filled in, so we know that that is 10. But we need 15. The total needs to be 15. So how many more do we add to 10 to make it 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So in a 10 frame, it only can fit 10. So if we want to go to the teen numbers, we have to add some more. Now let's go to our shapes. These are our 3D shapes. Do you remember what this one is right here? That's right, that's a cone. Then we have a sphere. Oh, that's not a sphere. Mrs. DeSallier, Mrs. DeSallier got that wrong. That is a cylinder. I did the wrong one. See, even I make mistakes. I drew it to the wrong one. Okay, the next one is a pyramid, then a cube, and then this one down here, which kind of looks like our world or a ball you might play with, is the sphere. Very good. Now here we're going to subtract. Make the bunny hop backwards on the number line. Start at number 2, and there is that subtraction sign. So we want to make sure we always look at that. That tells us what we're going to do. It tells us the action we're going to do. 2 minus 2. 1 hop, 2 hop. Well, boys and girls, if I have two things, let me see if I can find my counters. Here they are. If I have two things, right, and I take away 2 things, how many is left? That's right, 0 is left. Let's do this one down here. 7, take away 1. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But now I just take 1 away. How many is left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right, 6. 7, minus 1 is 6. Very good. Now let's go to the back where we go over our reading and phonics practice, okay? So it says to write the long vowel word. It's going to have a long U, okay? So we have a mule, a mule. Or another word for that would be donkey, mule. But what vowel needs to go at the end? We need a silent super E at the end. Very good. Mule. Very good. Now down here, you're going to read about Duke the mule, and you're going to answer those 2 questions. Duke is what is he? That's right, he's a mule. Duke is cute and, well, you're going to have to read the story to find out what Duke is. Is he nice? I'm sure he is nice. Or is he tame? In the story, it will tell you. If you can't read that story, that's okay. Ask an adult to help read it to you. And then down here, this part is optional, where we're going to write a sentence about this family having a picnic. Our next paper that we're practicing is our Abeka number page 127, okay? Number 1 says to add the numbers together. Number 2 says, write the amount as counted, as each coin is counted. Then write how much. So boys and girls, this is something that is brand new to us. So I want you to get an adult to help you or work along with me, okay? We're only doing this side of the paper, and I know we can do it. We're going to count the coins. We're going to add them together and then write how much money we have. So right here we have 5 cents. That's a nickel. But we're going to add 3 pennies to that, kind of like we were adding 5 plus 3. I'm going to work over here so you can see what I'm doing. 5, then 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3. So I have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I had a nickel, it would all be in one coin, but we're going to pretend right there that rat represents a nickel, which is 5 cents. 5 plus 3. 1, 2, and 3. So let's count all that together, okay? 5 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that sticker is 8 cents. Very good. Let's do one down here together, okay? We have our nickel, which is 5 cents. We're going to add 2 cents to it. 5 plus 2, because those pennies are worth 1 cent. 5, 6, and 7. This sticker, the bunny sticker, is 7 cents. Now down here, it says write the before and after numbers. So you're going to take out your 100 chart if you need help with those before and after numbers, okay? And our last page is this page right here. And it says circle the special sounds, mark the vowels. So here we go. Let's do this one together. The first one they already did for us. And they circled 2 special sounds that they see, and then they mark the vowel. So there's a mouse. He's trying to get the cheese out of the cheese trap. Uh-oh. So that is a trap. And there was the special sound, and trap. I'm actually going to use a different color here to help us see a little bit better. Good. Now over here, I'm going to circle the special sounds I see. I have a st and stop and a k-r. Which one is that? Star or car? That's right, that's a star. Very good. How about this one over here? I have 1 vowel here and 2 vowels here. Let's read the words. Tub, tube, tube. Is it a tub or a tube? That's right, it's a tub. How about this one? Oh, that looks like a seat a king would sit on. So we have a thir. There's a special sound we haven't talked about before. And another thir. We have thir and thir. Those are special sounds. So we have 2 vowel words here though. So let's try and read them. Throne, throne, or three. Throne or 3. That's right, throne. How about this one? Oh, I've got 2 vowel words here that I have to mark. Game or gate. Game or gate. That's right, it's a game. How about this one? Ooh, there's A and pray and long A right here. So let's see what these words are. Ray. Rain. That's right, it's rain. So boys and girls, I want you to try and do these 3 on your own, and you're going to do a great job.